Okay, we're on the High Sierra Trail. We just got out of Bear Paw Meadow, and the whole Great Western Divide's pretty much opened up to us. Here it is. We are headed to Hamilton Lake tonight, which is somewhere up in this. There's a lake basin up here, and you can kind of see the middle fork of the Kaweah. It's hard to spot, but the river is flowing through this canyon. Probably right there, some water. Yeah, this view has been with us for probably the last 2 miles at least. I've been remarking on this divot up here in the mountain. It's like a good spot to sleep. It's kind of the rest of the valley down here. Just amazing view. And then Kaweah Gap should be up around this notch somewhere. We'll be heading up that tomorrow, up into the 9 Lake Basin.